as the Ukrainian drone army works even more in swarm attacks now when they attack their targets. This Russian tank was under attack from several directions. As the tank was burning, most likely from a previous FPV drone strike, the tank was driving back and forth to try and avoid getting targeted. But as the fire caused the ERA blocks to explode, causing the tank crew to abandon the tank. The drone above dropped an anti-personnel hand grenade down. But as the wind started to push the grenade a bit off, another FPV drone came and swooped down, striking the tank on the side, leaving a damaged and abandoned tank as the Ukrainian drone army makes sure to reduce Russia's tank force. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.